I got the G Sport front wheel. And...
Nope.
Seen dude bike check. Okay, Caleb's got some Aaron Ross grips. Got an Eastern element. It's got bar spins. It's got the Eastern choker stem. Eastern forks. Eastern front wheel. Odyssey tire. What else you got? You got some dance
seat.
You got dance comp tubes.
Yup.
Stock seat.
Got a premium back rim.
Premium back rim.
A sprocket on it.
It's always good.
You got some fit pedals. A broken hub.
Got a broken hub. Got this Eastern. What is this?
Nomad.
The Medusa light.
Yeah, got some Eastern Nomad cranks.
Oh,
Got some
yeah.
fans.
Get some Vans on.
And I got some bar spins.
Some bar spins.
And a broken seat.
How do you feel about
Let's go on my line.
Pretty amazing.